Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to go ahead and be going over the quiz. And as we go over it, make sure that you're correcting. I've included this Google document for you, the Google slide, so that you can slow it down, double check your work. And I've written down everything about the number of points that you're going to receive for each of these. I'm going to split this into a number of smaller videos so that you can go ahead and go directly to one that you might need some more help with before our final test. So we're going to go ahead and start with problem number 1, where you're factoring and putting it into product form. So our first one, we isolate the A, B, and C. We multiply A times C for the top of our diamond problem, which is negative 30, and we put our B on the bottom, which is negative 7. We're now looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add to be negative 7. So of course that's going to be negative 10 and positive 3. We then go ahead and start filling out our generic rectangle. We put our 2x squared in the bottom corner. That's supposed to be a 2x squared. And we put our negative 15 in the upper right. We take our right and our left answers from our diamond problem and we add an x and put them on either side. So we have a negative 10x and we have a 3x. Now we're going to go ahead and find the outsides, which are going to be our products of our generic rectangle. So we know that our 2x squared is going to be 2x times x. We know x times 3 is 3x, and 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. We go ahead and write that in product form. So y is equal to 2x plus 3 times x minus 5. You're going to get 5 points for this problem. One for your 2x, one for your positive 3, one for your x, one for your negative 5, and one for the work that you did to solve this problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at B here. Same situation, you're going to pull out your A, B, and C, put those numbers into your generic rectangle diamond problem. We have a negative 8 and the 3 here. So we go ahead and take a look, and that, of course, gives us the outsides of 3x times 2x to get 6x squared, and 1 times 3x is 3x, and 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. So your answer for B is y is equal to 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 4. Same situation, 5 points for this problem, one for your 2x, one for your plus 1, one for your 3x, and one for your negative 4, and one for your work. So problem number 1 is worth 10 points altogether. Let's go ahead and move on to problem number 2. Problem number 2, you're looking for the equation of a line that passes through 2 points. First, we're going to go ahead and find our slope. We know our slope is the change in y's, so we're going to subtract our y's for our numerator divided by the change in x's. So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 3, which is 4 divided by negative 2. This gives us a slope of negative 2. That's going to be 1 point. We then go ahead and take one of the points and our slope, fill it out for y, m, and x, and then solve for b, our y-intercept. So we have 6 equals negative 2 times 1 plus b. We're going to add 2 to both sides, so we know our y-intercept is 8. That's your second point for your 8. We're now going to write that in our equation form. You get 2 points, one for putting the slope in the correct position, and one for putting your y-intercept in the correct position. So y is equal to negative 2x plus 1, and you get that final point for your work. So once again, we're going to have for this problem 5 points. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here, and we're going to go ahead and move on to problem number 3 with our next video.